There are no limits to what you can brew. The nifty carousel for K-Cups elegantly displays up to 35 of your favorite coffee pods. The Lazy Susan base rotates 360 degrees, making it extremely easy to find and select your flavor. The stylish chrome finish design looks great on any kitchen countertop, so you can keep tabs on what's left without cluttering up your kitchen counter.
Rushed mornings don't leave a lot of time for preparing breakfast. That's where the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker comes in. Now you can make a sandwich with fresh ingredients from home in under 5 minutes. Just choose your favorite bread, then layer on your favorite toppings, cheese, pre-cooked meat, or veggies. Lower the cooking plate and top ring, add an egg, top with the other piece of bread, and close. Set the timer for 4 to 5 minutes. And when you hear a beep, slide the egg cooking plate out and you'll have a perfectly assembled breakfast sandwich. Cleanup is easy. All removable parts can go in the dishwasher and cooking surfaces are non-stick. A nutritious breakfast is possible with the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Now that's good thinking.
Organizing meals so individual dishes finish hot and ready at the same time is a snap with Taylor's 4-event timer with whiteboard. Product number 5849. Use the 4-timer displays to monitor cook times of each dish simultaneously. Press the event button to choose a timer. Press the hour and minute buttons to set the alarm. Then start the timer. That's it. Make notes like which timer is used for each dish on the mini whiteboard using the dry erase pen that is included. The unit is small enough to hold in your hand to program, then set on the counter with a built-in stand or attached to a metal surface using the magnets on back. Each timer features a distinct tone that can be heard throughout the house. Timers can be programmed for up to 24 hours and 59 minutes. And the timers also count up. Simply select a timer and press the Start/Stop button. It's the perfect time organizer for those hectic meals, event reminders for the kids, or timing your exercise routine. It's the Taylor Multi-Event Timer, product number 5849.